Hello everyone. Magandang umaga po. So it's already 1:38 in the morning here in the Middle East. And sana sa Pilipinas, good morning. It's already 6:39 in the morning. So today we'll check the PCI kung ano yung price action yung price movement ni Philippine Stock Exchange Index kahapon, January 7. So let's go to the chart. So this is the PCI chart. Yesterday ay tumaas po si PCI ng 1.02%. If you see the previous price movement of the PCI index, so it still is in the resistance area, this line. This is the previous support that now become the resistance. So if ever PCI will go up above this line and above the blue line, this AB20, it is good if we will stay above on this horizontal line, this resistance line. Now the AB20 is at 7,130.75, but for the current level of the PCI is 7,119.61. This is the closing level yesterday. It's up by 1.02, but still is now in the resistance area. So if ever today we will go up above on this resistance line, and it will stay on this area, so it is good. But if ever there's a rejection for PCI today, today is Friday, we will expect that there is the price will go retracement again, level of the PCI. So we need to watch if the closing price or the closing level of PCI today is above this horizontal resistance. So if you see the candle yesterday, the closing price, he did not touch the AB20 also, because the current level of AB20 is 7,130.75. So today, we will check if we will break this AB20 and this horizontal resistance. So if we go to the indicator, still MACD is below the signal line, but still above on the zero line. So if MACD is above the zero line, it's still in advancing thrust, but we need to wait that there is a crossover of the blue line into the red line. So, but for now, still momentum is weak because MACD is below the signal line, this red line. And the EDX above 25, and RSI is 52.13. So RSI is still okay, but the strength is strong because the EDX above 29, but the momentum is going down. Weak. It is weak because it is below the signal line, the red line in MACD. So we will zoom it out. You see MACD now is widening down. So we'll wait if there is a curve up of the MACD cross into the red line. But for now, as we discussed last time, if the MACD is widening down, of course uh, the momentum is weak. If the MACD is widening up, it means the momentum is strong going up. But now, if we see here, even last time when the low line crosses the red line, still it did not touch this red line. So it's still going down, it's widening down. So the momentum is still weak. So we need to wait if there is a crossover from this blue line to the red line. So you see the histogram, mark the histogram, still going up. No? So we need to see if there is a curve up of the MACD. Because the MACD now is widening down. So still the momentum is weak. Yesterday, the current ceiling is 680.38. But here in the stock market, we don't know what's the happening in the next days, no? But we need to aware and we see where is the support and the resistance. But for now, current level of PCI, as I said, it is below the ME20 and near the resistance, horizontal resistance line. So we need to wait if there is a breakout in the ME20 and this horizontal resistance line. And I will stay above on this horizontal resistance line, this area here. Now there's a request here. The first request we have is tech. So the first request, thank you for the support, for watching Engineer Edwin Bilan, and to John Marlevi Morano, and John Marching, and Minard Castro, and to Francis Amparo and Kate Jason. Thank you for your support. And shout out to Ditsis Life. Good, magandang araw po diyan. No? Uh, hindi ko alam kung ano ng oras din sa Germany. Here in Saudi Arabia, it is 1:47 in the morning. Na-late nga ako nakatulog. Now let's go to the first request. We have tech. So we see the price action of Certic Holding Philippines Corporation. He is up by 15.6% yesterday. So yung nakabili dito sa my area na ito, nakabawi na po sila dito kasi umangat po ng 15.6%. So it's good, no? Maka-recover yung iba na nandito. Kasi the price ay nasa pool po yung lahat yung area na ito. So it's good for tech. But for me now, if we see this line here, this is the incline resistant of static this line. Why we call it as resistant? Because with the price hitting on this area, the price rejected, no, it's going down. And now it's hitting the support area. There is a bounce, going up again to this line, and then there's another rejection. So the price going down, and in this area going sideways, and now this area is hitting the support, because this one is the support area. Tinatawag po natin itong support kasi nag-hold po yung price dito, and this is the area where the buyer is waiting. But last July, this support ay na-break po. No? So it means the winner on this area is the seller. So the price going down and going sideways, and the price hitting this area, so it become a resistance. If the price break the support, when the price going up again and hitting on that same level, it will become a resistance. So there are two times already the take price visited this area, but there is a rejection. So if you see here, this is the third two times, no? Second time, and now this is the third time. Take on this level, no, hitting on this level. So AMA 200 is 7.42. So the closing price yesterday is 7.4, and the high is 7.43. So if you see, there is a rejection in the AMA 200. And also this is the support in the resistance area. But if ever the price today will close above AMA 200, we need to watch this area here, above on this area, if there is accumulation. No? And if there is accumulation in this area above AMA 200, there's a possibility that this inclined support resistance, this line, ay ma-break ni certic holdings. But if ever there is a rejection today on this area, because as we know already that this area is resistant, and if ever there is a rejection, the price will not break the EMA 200. We need to watch if there is a pullback in EMA 20. This blue line, this is the EMA 20. So exponential moving averages 20. As we know, this line here, this red line, orange line, and this green line and blue line is the exponential moving averages. So it will act also as support and resistance. So as we see here, when the price going to AME 20, there is a bounce. So yesterday he break the AME 20, and how many days the price did not break the AME 20, but yesterday he break it, and now he is hitting this major resistance area. So if ever there is a break, if there is a rejection today, and the price will pull back, we will see, we will check if the price will stay above AMA 20, this blue line. So we need to watch if the price will stay above AMA 20. And if the price go up AMA 200, we will watch from this area, above this area. Okay, but if the price rejected, we will check in AMA 20 area kung mag-hold yung price. But if the price going down below AMA 20, this is the next possible direction of tech. So he will be back to the previous support area. So now, the second one is Togo. Shout out to Ivan Devi Bakeri and Kingdom Reyes, to Henry Six Abonitalia and Francis Amparo, to Gilbert Austriano, Dennis Camaya, and James Nicole Mariano, and to Engineer Efren Avila. Thank you, Sister This is Life. Uh, so the 2 hours ahead. So you are now 11 o'clock in the evening, no? Now I am working here in Saudi Arabia, uh, but we are uh, studying this technical analysis in the Philippine stock market. Thank you for watching and my street TV. Thank you very much. So we are here to study the technical analysis in the Philippine stock market. And the purpose of studying this technical analysis is to timing the uh, entry, no, of buying the shares. So we'll buy in the low price and we will sell it in the high price. So this is the uh, guideline as a trader. No, we need to buy in the low price and sell it in the high price to take profit. Because if we do not study the technical analysis, maybe we buy it in the high price and the price will going down. So of course we will wait when the price will going back again. So we need to timing the entry. Now let's go to the to go. If you see the price movement of to go, yesterday is up by 3.53%, and this area here, if you see this area from July up to October, the price is holding in this area. It means this area is a support area. So nag-hold po yung price diyan and going sideways. So it means this area is a support area. But now, if support area, it means the buyer is waiting on this area. If the price retracing in this area, there's a possibility that the buyers will buy it again and post the price going up. So we see here the price is uh, holding on this area. So it means the buyer is holding it, and that is the reason why the price is going is not breaking this resistance, this support line. Because if this one in a break, then of course the price will going down. So in this line also, the price is rejected. So in the price basically in this line, there is a rejection. Of course, we call it as resistant area. This inclined line is a resistant area. So we know that this line is a resistance. So the seller is waiting on this line. So when the price hitting on this area and the buyers push the price going up, but when the price visited this line, again there is a rejection. We know already that this is a resistant area. This line is a resistant. So now the price trying to break this resistance, but the seller is the winner and post the price again to going down. So when the price hitting this area, we know that this is the previous support. So this area is a previous support means the buyer is on this area. So yesterday, how many days the price hold in this line? Maybe around 3 days, and the price will go up again yesterday at 3.53%. So now he's near the inclined resistance, this line. So if ever there is a breakout of the line of this line today, take note if there is a breakout. So the possibility he will go up in this line if there is a breakout of this resistant line. But we will not expect the price will go directly to this horizontal resistant line. But there is a possibility that he will go up on this line if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. Kasi if the price, because if the price go up and break this incline resistance, the price now it become above all the exponential moving averages. So as we know, if the price is above all the exponential moving averages, it is called as a strong trend. But now, the price still below some of the exponential moving averages, this line. So still, we cannot call this now as strong trend. So we need to wait if there's a breakout of this incline resistant line, this line, and the price will stay above on this line, this above the MA 200. So this is the time we need to monitor the price movement of Togo. But for now, if today there is a rejection of this incline resistance, there is a possibility that the price will go back again on this area. So we will not expect the price will go up because the candle yesterday is very bullish, but we need to watch if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. And if there is an breakout of the incline resistance, and if the price movement is going like this, hitting this incline, this horizontal resistance, and if there is a rejection and the price will go on this area, of course, it will, it is above all the exponential moving averages. So this is the time we need to watch if that direction uh, will happen. But if not, the price rejected on this incline resistance, there's a possibility again that the price will go back on this previous support area. This area is the support area because the price, as I said, nag-hold po yung price dito. So the buyer is waiting on this line. So this is my opinion for to go. If there is a rejection of this incline resistance, possible direction it will go back to this previous support area. So take note, this is only for educational purposes. We are studying the support and resistance area based on the actual price movement. Thank you for watching lovely Loans Salabi. Thank you, Loans, for your support. And to Ditch's Life and Maestri TV and to Engineer Edwin Bilan and to Engineer Peter Dominic, no? And Engineer Edwin Vergara. Thank you. Now let us go to the next request. We have PISA. So here in the stock market, uh, it is depend on what traders. If you are daily traders or you are swing trader and long-term investment. So for me, because I have a job and I cannot monitor the market and in a daily traders, no trading day, or from the start to the end. So I cannot monitor. So I'm will belong to the swing trader. So if swing trader, we will see if there is a bullish pattern. If there is a bullish pattern, this is the time we need to monitor the next price movement. But buying on this uh, shares, if there's no bullish pattern, so it's difficult, no? Because we cannot monitor if the price will going down. So we should always buy in the bullish pattern if you are a swing trader. So now, Shikis Pisa Asia Venture, this line here is now a support. And this line also is the support. As we discussed, if the price is bouncing in this area, it means this area is support area. So now when the price going up and there is a rejection, of course this line is a resistant area. So it means the seller is on this line. It's waiting on this line. And when the price going down, this area is a support because there is a bounce. This is the previous support of PISA, Shikis PISA. When the price break this line, the price going down to the next support. And it's trying to bounce, but there is a rejection. So it means the previous support will become a resistance. If the resistance I have a break, when there is a pullback of the price, it will become a support. At the support I have a break, then when there is a bounce of the price, it will become a resistance. It is a vice versa. Now here, the price is bouncing up and he is above the AME 20. So our exponential moving averages is now is 7.96, and the closing price of PISA yesterday is 8.10. So now we need to see if there's another line here. There is a rejection now in this area. So we can put another line this area. Okay. So this is the support. There is a rejection also in this area. And yesterday also there is a rejection. So now our next for my analysis for PISA, we need PISA to go up above on this horizontal resistance. So we call this as resistance because there's a rejection of the price, this area, and there is a bounce on this area. It is a support. And the price go back on this line, it become resistance and there's a rejection. And also yesterday, you see the highest price of yesterday is 8.29. So now what we do for me, if there is a breakout and the price above stay above with this line, so this is the time I need to watch PISA. But for now, if there is a rejection because it is rejected yesterday, we will see if the price will go back on this line. So this horizontal support, this line. So this is only my uh, thoughts for PISA. No? So it is depend on the trader. No? It's depend for your style. But for me, I will wait if the price would go back in this support line, and if there is a breakout of this resistance line, and the price will stay above on this area. So even if you put inclined line or inclined support, inclined resistance. If you draw an inclined resistance, connect this all highs. So this is the line now. So it's clear that the price is hitting the resistance line. So now if you connect these wicks, this is a resistance, no? Because there is a rejection. So now it is clear that we need to break this horizontal resistance and this inclined resistance. So dapat makalabas siya diyan, and then if the price will stay on above on this area and the price above AMA 20, so it's good. But for now, just check the next price movement of Pizza Hut, Pizza Asia, no? So you need to watch because still is inside the incline resistance. And we will check if there is a bounce in this area, if mag-hold yung price dito. But if not, possible direction, we will go back to this previous support area. So we don't want to be aggressive for pizza, Shakey's pizza, because the price now is hitting yesterday in the resistance area, and now is below, still below the incline resistance. So if there's a breakout, and as I said, it's the price is stay above on this horizontal resistance line, so it is good for pizza. But for now, just monitor, no? Don't be aggressive for a pizza. For me, I will not be aggressive for Shakey's pizza because still is inside the incline resistance. So I will wait if there's a breakout of the incline resistance line. So next one is Bell Corporation. We will see the price movement of Bell. Shout out to Pots Barques and Jonathan Noho, to El Espirito, and Gary Carmona and Merlin Panya. Shout out to all of you. Franz Nabua and Arlen Bruno, to Chuyam Ko, and then Andre Ganza Sabalo and Diana Cortez. Thank you. So now, this is the price movement of Bell Corporation. So, uh, if you draw a resistance and support line to determine if there is a bullish pattern, just draw this line on this high. Okay, so this is your reference now. This is the previous high of Bell Corporation. So when the price drop down, this is the uh, area where there is a bounce, no? So draw a line again on this line area. Now, if you see, there is a resistant area on this area, see? This area here. Because the price rejected how many days, no? On this line. So what you will do now, you need to adjust this line. Adjust this line, connect the previous resistance, that line, and now this is your support and resistance. So the price of Bell Corporation now is still in the support area. So the AMA 20 is 1.68. It's about 1.69. And now the closing price of Bell Corporation yesterday is 1.7. So if you have a position for Bell Corporation, just watch this line, this support line ay kumabreak ni Bell Corporation. But if still mag-hold sa diyan, then just hold your position until if there's a breakout of this support area. So now we can draw also another line, the inclined line. Connect this line, and this is the line also. Connect this line also. You see, there is a bounce. This area, there is a bounce, and this area, and the price now above this incline, the support and horizontal support. Now it is clear, it's very clear now, if the price will break this incline support and this horizontal support, possible direction of the price will going down. Because now if you see here, AME 50 is far from this line. So dapat the price will hold this incline, will stay above on this incline support and horizontal support area. So now if we see here, there is a bounce rejection in this area. You can draw a minor resistance in this area. Connect that line. So now you have a hint now. If the price will go up above on this line, this is good for Bell Corporation. Provided that this incline support ay hindi ma-break ni Bell Corporation. Because if the price will break this incline support, it will go on this area. But if the price will break this in horizontal resistance above, possible direction it will go the previous area, this line, this resistance area. So now we can adjust this one going down little bit. So it is like this. So for me now, for Bell Corporation, the major support this line, and this line ay dapat hindi ma-break ni Bell Corporation. And if Bell Corporation will go up above on this resistant line, we need to watch if there is if the price will stay above on this area. But if the price will break on this line and this horizontal support going to this area, it's not good for Bell Corporation. So this is my thought for Bell Corporation. Thank you to the viewers, Sister Ditch's Life, and Lovely Loans, and to my Street TV. Okay, thank you for your support. Now the next one is DNL. We'll see the price movement of DNL. Shout out to Carlo Dampel and Ronald Fonsalan and Saldi de la Peña, Rosalito Giangan, and Krishna Pasyadsya. Thank you. And Rowan Nolan Demelium, thank you. And to Engineer Eric Lomontad, no? And Engineer Diego Aborita and Engineer Mikey Lagitan and Engineer Lorito Corpus. Thank you. Now we see DNL Industries Corporation. This is up by 3.19% yesterday. Now this is the resistance area for DNL. Because the price is rejected in this area, the price is retracing, and again when the price is going up, again there's a rejection. So of course, this line now is a resistant line. And now the price hitting in this area, and the price is bouncing, and this is called as support area. So now, what we'll do, I will draw another line, this line. We'll draw another line. So we need to watch now. We can draw another line also here. So for me, we need DNL to stay above on this horizontal support resistant area, this line. So this is my thought for DNL. If ever the price will go up on this area and then there is a pullback, then this is the time we need to watch for DNL. So if we draw an incline support, draw the bottom line, connect the lows of the candle. So we just connect here. Okay. So now we need to watch the price movement of DNL on this area. But for now, for me, I need more price movement of DNL going to this area. So dapat we need to monitor the price movement of DNL on this area. If the price will break this resistance line and hitting on this line and then there's a pullback, this is the time we need to watch the movement of DNL. But for now, for me, I will wait another price movement of DNL Industries. So malalim pa yung ano niya, yung space, no? There's still a big space in this area. But if the price will go up above on this area, on this line, and stay above on this line, this is the time I need to watch DNL price movement. So if you see the MACD still below the signal line, now the EDX is below 25, so it is non-trending. So we need to wait another price movement or price action of DNL, and we need DNL to stay above on this area, this triangular pattern. Okay, so for me, I will wait another price movement of DNL, provided that this incline support ay hindi ma-break ni DNL. If ma-break po ito, then just keep away muna and we will wait for another opportunity if the price will create another bullish pattern. But for now, as I said, I need to watch the price movement of DNL above on this incline support and this horizontal support, horizontal resistance area above on this line. So this is the time I need to monitor DNL. But for now, I will wait another price movement of DNL Industries. So the next one is Double Dragon. If you want to see news for the companies, for each companies, you can see here there's a news. You can click here. There's a news here, this area. So now, if you see Double Dragon price movement, this area is support. Now it become resistant, and now this area is a resistant, and now it becomes support going up, and now he will act as a resistant line, this line. But for me, if ever the price will go up and he will stay above a 20, this is the time we need to watch the price movement of Double Dragon. But for now, the current price, 14.82 pesos per share, is still below the all exponential moving averages. So it is still a weak. Now, if you watch this area, this is the resistant area. And today, if there is a rejection again, of course, we need to watch next price movement of DD going down. But if the price, closing price for DD today will go above this horizontal resistance, we need to watch the AME20 always. So if the price will stay above the AME20, so this is the time we need to monitor the movement of DD. But for now, my bias, for my own opinion, still DD is weak because the current price is below all the exponential moving averages. So as we know, the price below all exponential moving averages is still we called as a weak trend. So we need to watch the closing price of DD if we will stay above on this horizontal line. And if you will stay, we need to watch if the price will go up again above exponential moving averages 20. So this line. So if ever it will happen, this is the next price movement of DD. This next resistant line above. But for now, don't be aggressive for DD. We need to wait. As I said, if the price will stay above on this horizontal resistance and stay above the EMA 20. So, because if there is a rejection today and you are be aggressive, possible direction, it will go up below this line again. So don't be aggressive for DD until the price will go up above exponential moving averages 20, this blue line. So the next one is TBGI. So shout out to my to Louis Patrick Doblois and Ria Montilla, Aki Bordado, and Francis Amparo. Shout out to all of you, to Engineer Elisha, Engineer Gloria, Engineer General Galbi, and Engineer Larry Amoges. To my nephew, Engineer Mitchell Akas, and Ria Josephet Gloria. And to Engineer Kenneth Akas, thank you. So if you see the TBGI, is up by 1.47% yesterday. So what we will do now, we need to draw a line. This is the support line of TBGI. So this is the previous high. This is the resistant line of TBGI, this line. Okay. So now, this area, there is a rejection. So we can put the line also here. Okay, now the price is above the MA20. Okay, for me, if the price will stay above MA20 going to this area, this is good to watch the movement of the BGI. Okay, but this area is the support line of the BGI. And now the price above MA20, dapat mag-stay yung price above the MA20. If mangyayari yan, if that's happened, kung mangyayari yan, possible he will break this horizontal resistance line. So we know already if this line ay ma-break ni TBGI. This is the next price direction of TBGI. But for now, we need to wait if there's a breakout of this horizontal resistance line. And the price will continue and stay above exponential moving averages 20. The MACD is going down also, the way the momentum is weak, and We need to watch if there is a crossover again of the MACD to the red line. So, but for now, as I said, see the MACD is widening down. So the momentum is weak. So we need to wait if there's a crossover again. But the current price of Tbgi is above the support area, this line, and above exponential moving averages 20. So we need to watch if the price will stay above, continue above AMA 20, if it's going sideways. So this is the time we need to watch because there's still a gap, no? There's a big gap in this area. So we need the price movement continue sideways and the price will stay above exponential moving averages 20. So we need to monitor if that happen for TBGI. But for now, we need to wait another price movement of TBGI. So the next one, the last one is Hlcm. To Engineer Jonas Espijo, thank you. And Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Cash Richard Lorono, thank you. To my building trade crew, headed by Foreman, energetic Foreman Patricio Santiago, and Islam Odin Tuyuk Ali, and Tariq Abdullah Sheikh and Gulpam Ipari. This is my crew in the building trade crew. Now, shout out again to my viewers, to Sister Ditch's Life, to Ann Maestre TV, and Lone Salabi. Thank you for your support. And now I will continue the last one. No? Now we see Holcim Philippines. Holcim is one of the cement factory in the Philippines. So now if you see here, this is the previous support. There's a bounce, and when the price break the support, it's going down. And the price again basically this line, it become a resistance. So now here, the same. The price basically this line again the price rejected. So it is a resistant area line. So this is the one I talked about the TBJ uh, previously, that the price will stay above a 20, this blue line. We need to watch now. Now the BGI hitting this line, there is a rejection. So this is a resistant area. So now we will zoom it out. The price now is in the support area. And the EMA 20 is 7.27, and now wholesale closing price yesterday is 7.3. So we will wait if there's a bounce in this area. And again, we need to always watch if the price will stay above EMA 20. We know already that the price is hitting the support, but we need additional confirmation for EMA 20. So if ever there is a breakout of this line, possible direction, we will go back on this previous support below. So we need to watch carefully for a Holcim if there is a bounce on this horizontal support. So there's a bounce yesterday, but still we need more for TBGI. So uh, we need to watch next price movement of Holcim. We need to see if there is a sideway movement, and the price will, now you can draw the minor resistance here, this line. Okay, now it's clear for Holcim now. We need Holcim to break this line, okay, this resistant line. We need Holcim, but if the price will stay above on this horizontal support and stay above a 20, there's a possibility that this line ay ma-break ni Holcim. So this is the one I uh, uh, analyzed that we need Holcim to break this resistant minor resistant line, this line. For now, we need to watch if the price will stay above MA20. Possible it will break this horizontal resistant line above. But if this line ay ma-break ni Holcim going down, possible it will go retracement to MA50 or this horizontal support below. So still we need more price action of Holcim. So but for me, if the price will stay above in this area or AMA 200, this is the time I need to watch carefully the next movement of Holcim Philippines. So especially if the price will stay above AMA 200, this green line, or this horizontal resistance line, we will see above in this area. So for now, we need more price movement of Holcim Philippines. So thank you for your support, and once again I will shout out to my viewers, to Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Ditch's Life, to One Maestri TV, Loans Love is Loan Salabi. Thank you for your support, and to the group, no, the Aka Stock Trading and Civil Engineering Channel Group. Thank you for your support, and I hope we will continue to study the technical analysis. This is the best way that we can enter and buy shares in the correct timing, so that we can minimize the time and we can gain profit in the stock market. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and God bless us all always.